Hello mga ka-kitchen! Welcome back to Kitchen Time with Anna. Today, let's make this creamy chicken soup. Let's start! Umpisahan natin ito by cooking your chicken. So, papakuluan ko lang to into 1 liter of water for 20 minutes. In the meantime, i-prepare na natin yung mga veggies. Kailangan natin ng 3 medium-sized carrots. Then, islice natin to into round shape na may mga kalahating pulgada ang kapal. Next, balatan na natin ang 6 na piraso na maliliit na patatas. I-cut ito into quarters. Susunod, kailangan din natin ng 4 na stalk na celery. So, islice nyo lang to according sa thickness na gusto ninyo. Kailangan din natin ng 5 pieces of garlic cloves which we will finely chop. And finally, isang white onion. Now that everything's ready, pwede na tayong mag-start ng cooking process. So sa isang pot, maglagay kayo ng 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Kapag slightly melted na ang inyong butter, you can add the carrots and celery. Saute lang natin to for about a minute, then we can add our onion. Saute lang din natin to hanggang sa maging medyo soft na yung onion, then we add 2 tablespoons of flour para maging thick yung ating sauce. Kapag well combined na yung flour, add the chicken stock. Dinagdagan ko lang din to ng 1 1/2 cup of water pa. Bali, ito yung pinagpakuluan natin ng manok. Maglalagay din ako ng 1 chicken cubes. For the seasoning, kailangan natin ng 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 to 3 pieces of bay leaves, and some salt. Now, mix this all together, then hintayin na lang natin kumulo. Kapag kumukulo na to, let's add the garlic at yung manok na hinimay-himay ko na, patatas at isang can ng green peas. Pwede ring frozen ang gamitin nyo sa green peas. Haluin lang natin to gently, then let's add 250 ml of all-purpose cream. Let's mix it para maging well combined yung cream sa ating soup. Then hihintayin na lang natin na lumambot na yung patatas and this is ready to serve. Before you turn off the fire, make sure na natikman nyo na siya and if there's a need for you to add salt, you may do so. Tatanggalin ko na rin yung bay leaves for a better presentation lang. And just like that mga ka-kitchen, you now have this rich, creamy, delicious, and comforting chicken soup. I hope you can try this too. And don't forget to hit the like button if you like this recipe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.